Meet DoorLoop, an all-in-one property management software that automates your leases, rent payments, accounting, and so much more. Whether you're a property manager or a landlord, no matter how many properties you manage, DoorLoop helps you save time and money. How, you ask? Well, let's take a look at Andrew, for example. Andrew is just starting out. He bought his first property and wants to run it as a side hustle. Really quickly, he figured out that the rental business can be quite complex and time-consuming. He decides to look into several property management software options to help stay organized and track expenses so his business is profitable. Little does he know, most property management software is limited. They may be able to collect rent, but you'll need to use a different accounting software. That's additional time spent, and time is money. Or let's take a look at Tammy and Jim. They're investors with a large portfolio using a competitor's software, but they can't seem to ever reach anyone to get good support. It could take a few hours to hear back, and when they do, it's usually by email and it takes days to resolve. And with hundreds of properties, they simply don't have time to sit around and wait. Andrew, Tammy, and Jim can save time and money with DoorLoop, and also get world-class support by email, phone, live chat, Zoom video, and screen sharing. And in a matter of minutes, not hours. Because with DoorLoop, your success is our success.